Welcome to Dubrovnik, Croatia, a city of ancient walls, stunning architecture, and azure seas. Discover the majestic city walls and historic fortresses that have protected Dubrovnik for centuries. Explore Stradun, the main street of Dubrovnik's Old Town, lined with historic buildings and bustling with life. Marvel at Fort Lovrijenac, perched high above the Adriatic Sea, offering breathtaking coastal views. Fly over the picturesque harbor, where crystal-clear waters and traditional boats create a perfect Mediterranean scene. As the sun sets over Dubrovnik, the city glows with golden hues, creating a magical atmosphere. Experience Dubrovnik at night, where the ancient city is illuminated, revealing its timeless beauty. Dubrovnik, Croatia, a city of history, culture, and stunning vistas. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible travel videos.